today at Gamescom, we are announcing an all-new feature. It's not a product, but it's an all-new feature for our upcoming product. So this is Chroma. And what is Chroma? Essentially, it's a new feature for all Razer products that will allow us to kind of control lighting, colors, and lighting effects for pretty much everything. Now, with a single button, right now, you can kind of sync up the colors for our new range of Chroma-enabled products. So this is the Black Widow Ultimate Chroma. As you can see, there's this incredible spectrum cycling color, but there are other effects. You've got a breathing effect. You can set it to blue, you can set it to green, you can set it to purple, you can set it to 16.8 million colors. Actually, if you realize that for us, we don't just focus on a single product to say that, look, you need to do this for this color or you need to do this for manually for each of them. You can say that I want to set this for spectrum cycling for everything, press a button, boom, everything's synced up. Now, that's just a start. All of this is going to be built on a Chroma SDK. So what is this Chroma SDK? This Chroma SDK is going to be provided to all the top tier developers worldwide who can now take advantage of all the spectrum cycling, the colors available. So let's say if you're doing an RTS game or a mobile game, if your base is under attack, boom, you can have this flashing red. You know, if you're playing a horror game, all of a sudden when something jumps out, this thing can just flash out at you and kind of give you a surprise and stuff. So Chroma SDK, we're ready to ship, sending it out to developers right now. This is the first product, the Black Widow Ultimate Chroma, and we're super excited to launch this at Gamescom today. So for example, if you want certain zones to be flashing when certain members are talking on TeamSpeak, you can absolutely do that. In fact, that's one of those incredible things you can do with the SDK. It's not just for games, not just for game developers, but pretty much for anyone who wants to be able to build something for the chat application or anything like that. Pretty much on the driver level, you can do a lot of stuff. You can already customize, for example, your own custom profiles. So you don't need any coding experience to be able to do that. You can say that, look, I like to play ESDF instead of WASD. You can be creating your own custom lighting profiles out of the box without the need for any experience at all. Now, but if you want something more advanced, say for example, tight integration with a game or tight integration with an application, then you'll need some kind of coding experience, but it's going to be pretty straightforward. We've got APIs that will allow developers to be able to make calls to it at any point of time. Now, bear in mind that Razer today, we are the leaders in terms of gaming peripherals. We're probably the largest, if not one of the largest gaming peripherals companies in the world. So the difference for us is they don't have to worry about do they build the game first and then the peripherals come later, or do the peripherals come first, etc. We've told them we're going to be shipping millions of Chroma-enabled products worldwide, and millions of gamers will be able to take advantage of every single one of these Chroma features. So we've got lots of developers. In fact, for the next couple of months, we'll be announcing new games. But out of the box, any gamer, even without integration, can already do all these effects out of the box. Well, unfortunately, because these are all specific with every single one of these, which has what we call a tricolor LED. So you'll need to get a Chroma-enabled Black Widow or Chroma-enabled Kraken, etc., to be able to make use of the Chroma SDK.